Last week, I made a very good video about hobbies. Good job. This week, we will try to recognize the hobbies and the opinions in a very short and simple text. Let's start. How many sentences can you say using these words? I want you to look carefully at this page and try to circle all the opinions that you can find and also underline all the hobbies that you can find in this page. Now I want you to read these two texts and answer the questions below. You have to answer these questions in English, not in French. This is the end of our lesson today. You will have to choose the crown of that you would like to do and then submit it. All the crowns are based on the hobbies and the opinions, and they are all text with comprehension questions. Good luck. Au revoir.